Willkommen zu einem neuen Broad-Video.
Ganz kurzer Disclaimer, das Video ist eine Zusammenfassung von den letzten 10 Tagen. Das heißt, es wird viel getrunken und es werden viele Schimpfwörter benutzt, deswegen verzeiht uns. Viel Spaß! Wir sind aus Vancouver zurückgefahren und haben noch einen kleinen Umweg von ungefähr 10 Stunden eingelegt und sind nach Coeur d'Alene zurückgefahren.
So, damals in New York haben wir den Dylan kennengelernt. Der wohnt in Coeur d'Alene und da waren wir erst vor einer Woche. Am letzten Abend, bevor wir den Louis abgeholt haben, haben wir den Casey kennengelernt und wir haben uns super verstanden. Der hat dann darauf bestanden, dass wir wiederkommen und das haben wir dann gemacht.
Machen wir.
Wir gehen baden.
Downtown Coeur d'Alene, we're at the beach. Look, show them all this.
Sehr gut, sehr gut.
Okay. Ist gut.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, it's totally right.
Nope.
Who won?
Yeah, not me and Louis.
GG's.
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 Do flip. Do a flip.
Hamburger. Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay.
Ow. Ow.
Four more exits to my apartment, but I am tempted to keep the car and drive. Oh no!
We can cut this out.
Willkommen zu einem neuen Broad-Video.
Bauchtasche. Speisekarte. Anwältin. Apotheker. Meine Mutter ist sehr groß.
You can eat like that real fast.
Heute gehen wir an den Pool und spielen BYRD den ganzen Tag.
Ausbomber! Are we making a porno?
Oh, you can fit in there.
Keely, put another one. Like, show up, show up.
How many beers is that? 3?
Not a good idea.
Oh my god. Du bist mein Vater.
Holy fuck.
COVID hit me hard.
Lass uns betrinken. Which date is today?
4. Juli.
So this is what you wear on 4th of July. It's like red, blue, and
Red, white, blue.
white.
Rot, weiß, and blau.
American flags color.
Yeah.
So this is a tradition dress. Is it a dress or?
Yeah, it's what you wear. It's just like what you wear on the 4th.
Oh no, I'm wearing gray. I wonder why.
What is the 4th of July all about?
4 Juli is about the founding of America when we gained our independence from Great Britain back in 1776.
As a viewpoint of a German or European, it's kind of fucked up because like you stole a country to. Is there a national national holiday for Native Americans?
Yes, Indigenous Peoples Day.
Indigenous people.
Yeah,
When is that?
when is the Indigenous Peoples Day?
It's in November, right?
So it's not as popular because you don't know about it?
Yeah, exactly. It's not as popular as the 4th of July.
Is it a big thing in the US, like 4th of July?
Oh yeah, it's one of the biggest holidays, like next to Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's like top 3. Like no one works, everyone celebrates. We drink beer, barbecue, eat good food, celebrate with friends and family like we're doing here.
Try to wrap it up like in a very short sentence, compromise it. Like one sentence.
Family and fun, being able to be with your close friends and having the ability to have some time off to take time and reflect on your country, be it being critical or celebrating it. Both ends of the spectrum.
That was good.
Yeah, that's good.
Happy 4th!
Happy 4th, baby! Happy 4th!
Happy 4th! Happy 4th! Happy 4th!
Happy 4th of July.
Keely's a dad.
One score, one like that.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. On the progression. It's all that I wanted. The full in affection. I saw.
Is it a video? Oh, yes. It is a video.
Am 4. Juli haben wir uns in der Früh schon ein paar Hopfentorpedos einverleibt, ganz nach amerikanischer Tradition. Und deswegen erlitt unser Kameramann leider schon um 2:30 eine Filmdesfunktion. Deswegen gibt es nur sehr wenige Aufnahmen von dem Tag.
Upsi!
Hallo Levin, Philipp ist da in der Ecke. Es ist romantisch.
Look at Cody.
Yeah! Mr. Brown.
What up, buddy?
Oh boy.
Ooyy.
Oh boy. Yeah. Look at this fucking thing. That's a good question. I'm gonna roll it down their driveway.
Oh shit.
I don't know where you need to go.
We got the die out. I'll show you actually. I know this area pretty well, but if I didn't, I could hit the map. So I got one stop right here. Up View. It's not that.
Oh, I would flip if the touch is so bad.
Peace,
Thanks for working, buddy.
Oh yeah, of course.
Bye, Luis. What's the plan?
Wir fahren jetzt erstmal eine Runde im Boot.
Boot.
Ja, und gehen angeln, glaube ich, und baden.
Nee, nur baden.
It's the one for the logs, right?
Nicht mal.
What the hell is that dead thing?
You are the one that lifts me like a drug.
By the way, this is Casey singing the song.
I want you, baby. World's turned upside down. I try my best to do what I can.
I do like it. I'm so chill right now. And we're gonna get our tattoo later.
Nothing in German.
Ich bin den einziger Spatzekater.
Okay, bye guys.
He's not black.
Bye guys. Why you comment about that?
The camera.
Just like the rain falls down on sunny days. You mend my heart and then I'm down the drain. My mind is running a conniving race. I try to hold you tight, you spit in my face.
Is this it?
That's it. I think that might be the tattoo that we get.
Are we really getting matching tattoos?
We met 2 days ago and we're getting matching tattoos.
So this is Carson. We met Carson 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Through a friend that I met 4 days ago.
Through a friend of a friend of a friend.
Oh my god. Remember when we did this design drunk 2 days ago?
That's true. We were hammered when we made that. This guy.
I haven't told my mom yet. Surprise!
Look at this mug. Black. You like that?
Hey, you should get.
Is it done?
Oh my god. Looks great.
Dude, I like it.
What do you have to say to your mother? Anita.
Sorry.
Es tut mir leid, Anita.
Annette.
Anetta?
Annette.
Anetta, es tut mir leid.
He made me do it.
Dude, thank you.
Oh, I haven't had this. Matching tattoos.
Matching tattoos. Yes. Come on. That's true. Come here,
It looks so good. I like it. It looks awesome. I love it. It looks so good. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
That's very
Like
cool.
it?
Yes, I like.
Okay, guys. Let's get out of here.
Caseys Klimaanlage ist ein fucking Eichhörnchen gestorben.
Oh, sehr lecker. Eichhörnchen died. Sehr lecker.
The most fluent German American.
Oh, ich bin Deutsch. Es tut mir leid, ich habe eine Frage. Annette, wo ist dein Scheißhaus? Ich habe
Durchfall.
Durchfall.
My mom's going to see this and she's like, what are they doing with this American kid? Poor guy. Hey Weberpalz, wie kickt eigentlich die Mandelentzündung beim Autofahren?
Gar nicht, eigentlich. Gar nicht.
Wo geht's hin?
Nochmal in Mamma Mia.
Casey hat ja eine Show, die wir angeguckt haben. Nicht nur einmal, sondern zweimal. Und wir haben schon wieder Karten dafür bekommen. Und wir schauen sie uns jetzt zum 3. Mal an.
Mamma Mia, here we go again.
Nonna Mia, weil du bist die Nonne hier. Alter. Leider Gottes können wir das Talent von Casey leider hier nicht beweisen, beziehungsweise auch von den anderen, weil wir leider nichts filmen oder fotografieren dürfen. Wir haben alle vor 2 Wochen Top Gun geguckt und lassen uns jetzt peinlicherweise hier so einen kleinen Mächtigern-Schnauzer wachsen lassen. Und Rod ist nicht so überzeugend, oder?
Recht.
Will ich nicht.
Ich finde, der ist auch... You don't like my mustache?
No.
Why? That's eine Drahtbürste hier, Alter. Das ist eine gute alte Drahtbürste.
I tickle him a little. Now watch. Look at that. No, he needs help.
He needs some milk.
Yeah. I'm done.
Goodbye, Papa.
I love you guys.
Okay, auf geht's, saufen.
Drive safe.
Yeah.
I'ma need safety. Tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety.
Holy fuck. Für die Juli! Für die Juli! Für die Juli! Is this the last time?
No.
Well, for this trip.
Oh, this is the last time for this trip. Last time in Coeur d'Alene for a while.
You guys win? Yeah. Carded.
Nicht sehr lecker.
Wir haben jetzt hier eine kleine... Is it kind of a goodbye
This is
party,
your
right?
goodbye. This is the Germans' goodbye party.
By the way, this is Brock. We haven't introduced
Oh,
him.
you're
I haven't
Brock.
been on camera yet.
Brock.
Yeah.
Lutsch mein leck mein.
This is all we've been teaching them.
No homegirls have been like
I don't know any. There ain't no way.
Drink, motherfucker, drink!
Give me the most.
heaven.
Sonnenbrille an, Alter. Guck mal, wie viel dunkel ist es.
Style.
There's beer on the camera. You can see it in the picture. There's so much beer on the camera.
Das war eine sehr gute Abschiedsparty gestern, oder?
Ja, das war sehr schön.
War ein voller Erfolg und es war wirklich ein sehr emotionaler Abend. Das hätte ich, muss ich sagen, nicht so erwartet. Da ist die ein oder andere Träne geflossen. Wir haben hier echt Freunde fürs Leben gefunden und eine neue amerikanische Familie, bei der wir jederzeit willkommen sind.
Es ist schwer zu gehen.
Es tut echt im Herzen weh. Thanks guys for having us. It was a pleasure to meet you. We will come back and we will see you soon. Germany, New York or Coeur d'Alene. Stay safe.
Why am I using Laven's toothbrush?
Pull this out from behind your ear. Take it, you put it in this hand really easily, and then it disappears. Just like that. It's that simple.
Where is it?
Behind your ear. Oh, but it's a vape now.
They were just like taken in by a loving.
Look, there's the seal.
This summer, 3 Germans, Killian, Leven, and Luis, will go to America, specifically Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and they will go on the adventure of a lifetime, coming to theaters July 4th.
What? Which date is today? Is it the
8. Juli?
8. Juli?
Fick dich, du Schwanz!